an application in MyApps, the first thing is you want to open a new tab and log in to MyApps. If you're on a school device and you click the home button, which is the little guy over here, that will give you the home page, which is that main login screen. Okay, so here is your MyApps dashboard. A lot of students type in search right here and they try and find stuff, but this only searches for applications that you already have loaded here. Okay, what you need to do is add. So there's the little plus button, click on that, and then you start to type in what you're looking for. And there it is, Khan Academy. So you click that. If you need it, you just click add. Boom, right? And then if you already have it, it will say remove. Okay, does that make some sense? So you might already have it, so you could do a search in your applications, but there are other things that I'm going to have you guys put on there. So like, for example, Prodigy, right? This is you right here, Prodigy game. So you can add that. Quizzes, right? There's quizzes. You can add quizzes to that. Kahoot, right here, you can add that. All these applications you can add to your dashboard. And then once they're there, you click on the little edit button. And this is where you can move stuff around, put where you need to, where you want to put things. But you could also create groups. So like I have a group of video chat meeting applications, student tools, my Google tools. I've just grouped all these things together. But you can also remove your Khan Academy, or not specifically, but you can remove applications and edit. Okay, and when you're done, click the little X and you're back to normal. Okay.